And he says
okugamba mshoro kweine kubeyo buringaniza nubwo kitongore kiri kushoroza umshoro mu ihanga echa Uganda Revenue Authority kibiri ni kibugana habashubuzo ku rugo mu rurembo rwa Fort Portal orchikoru ortebenkansi bwansi yehuru ya URA Integrity Forum rubire rugenderiro kutahwe miringo eyo mushoro gwa kubasa kushoroza bwa hatabire ho buryarya bwona.
I know of some cases where our people have given very high assessments and they have no basis. So when you get a figure that is way beyond your business transactions known to you, please ask for the basis. Don't first of all feel like collapsing, because someone can give you a figure and it blinds you, and the next thing you feel is, how do I get out of this? Get out of what?
Konko mu rukikoru abashubuzi bashabire government okutandika kushoroza umushoro mu bavuji ba boda bagumize ngo kunuko yakubasa kwangusya ebintu ebyo rukuyame umushoro umwanya go kuguma neba nyunyuta.
Let us widen the tax base. Yes. Let us widen the tax base. We have been overtaxed. The people who are compliant. You are trying to squeeze the little we have.
Every border should pay at least 1,000 per day. Okay, if that's too much, but let's look at taxing them. They have become a menace, and it will be a way of reducing the number of the road.
We Angela Byangwa orumukuru wa Rwenzor Anti-Corruption Coalition ekitongore kitari cha government nagira ngo abantu kushashura ryo mushoro batine kwetombitwa kona hine kubaho buringaniza.
If us we are able to save you 600 million in a year, we are still paying tax. Why is it that there are some people who are being by policy free to actually pay? So I want us to appreciate that the role of paying taxes for each citizen. So when there is any form of unfairness, trust is broken between government and citizens.
Our country is unfortunate that you are a taxpayer in Uganda, unless corrected by commissioner, does not have any incentive. The only incentive is public utility roads and the rest. But some good countries where the economies are better, there are some points you earn that when you retire after paying those taxes, the tax you paid gives you pension.
And value for money by looking at what we have on ground. Good roads, good health centers, good services in whatever we are doing. It is very traumatic when you take your patient to a hospital and you find that instead of giving them the drugs, they are actually telling you to buy them. I think most of you have faced that.
Omurchiko nurwo rumwe abamwe bagizire ngo bururu bwenguzi obwerisize karungo mu ihanga nabwo burigirire habamwe obutashashura mushoro konka we habatulisoke orukukora nka commissioner bwa internal auditor omuri URA nagira ngo batirehe miringo yona kureba ngo barwanisa oburwenguzi omukitongore cyabo
right up to an individual staff on what is expected of them, as well as support from management. So we don't expect that any staff of URA can claim that he does not understand what integrity means.
Gasha kwa John Tusingwire omuri Fort Portal.